Today I'm going to show you how you can log back into your account on BeReal. It is super easy to do. So first of all, you need to go into the app. You need to write out your name, your full name, your birthday. Click continue. Then you need to put in your phone number. You can change your plus number here. Super easy to do, but I'm in Denmark. So I'm just gonna click in my phone number, click continue, and then a code will be sent to you within like a couple seconds, like there. And then you'll be logged back into your account. See, I can do everything here. Super easy to do. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them.